Welcome everybody, welcome back to today's project update and welcome MTO family. It is extremely exciting today on what we will be discussing because I have a lot of updates on, we will be focusing mainly on what we have achieved so far after the MVP of course, and what is coming next for the developers to focus on as well. So I really want to keep this as short as possible just for people to watch it completely. So let me just jump straight away into that directly. So we can see here that this is what the developers have completed so far. So we have achieved we have completed completely the HIPS merchant protocol. For those of you who don't know, the HIPS merchant protocol is basically the part where you will be able to do purchases and reduce, basically pay the consumer protection and raise complaints basically if you haven't received any items or anything. So that's what the HIPS merchant protocol is, and it's the connection between the wallet and the merchant. So basically is what it comes between the customer and the merchant and basically makes the whole consumer protection in the blockchain possible. That has been completed. It has been completed also the SDK. For those of you who don't know what an SDK is basically the application itself. So like the program, the installer, I would say, that can be used for all web, mobile, and desktop as well. Also the two wallet types, which are custodial and non-custodial wallets. So this is extremely really important as well, and I will, at the end of this basically explanation, I will also bring you and show you a video of the working basically wallet that we have so far. Then we have as well completed the customer wallet, which includes the general functionalities like creating non-custodial wallets, send and receive, the token swapping, purchase Ethereum by fiat, as well as integrating the HIPS merchant protocol SDK to make purchases working after inputting the price itself. So again, guys, this is really huge. This is a huge advancement to what we were before as well. I will actually share more information with you as well on the links. I will be putting some links in the description where you can actually go and see the algorithms. I'm not going to go into those details here right now. If you want me to cover that, let me know in the comments below and maybe I can cover that in the future. But I think we should focus on these kind of things, which is basically where are we at and where are we going. As I say, the customer wallet basically is completed, and I will be showing you a video at the end of this video. The next step. So what is what's gonna be the next focus for the development? Now we need to build the merchant app or desktop version basically, which will manage all the transactions and specific activities, so like disputes, withdrawals, etc. We need to build as well the agent and admin portal, and that will also be could also include an app. We're not really sure about that yet. At the beginning, we're going to build a portal which is going to be web-based, but we're also thinking into building an app for that. So that means if that is true, that means that if we build an app for that, or if it's possible, I would say, to handle the work of manage the disputes through an app, that will make the consumer protection even more accessible. Just imagine anybody in the world who owns a phone could actually download the app and resolve disputes for MTO anywhere they are. So that will give a lot of freedom as well to the agents that we will have eventually. We are also starting the setup and develop of our own blockchain, which is MTO. So we are gonna start working in the mainnet very soon. As I have discussed in the past, we have not yet started working in mainnet because our main focus was the HIPS merchant protocol protocol and the wallet, which are the two main parts basically of the ecosystem, with the third main part, which is the blockchain itself, and we're working on that. The reason why we haven't been working on developing, because we were doing research. So I have explained this a lot of times in the Telegram, and I know sometimes some of you might think I'm repeating myself, but I really want to make this clear. What we're trying to build here is something that does not exist yet. We need to have a blockchain that it is scalable, so that means that it can process a lot of transactions per second that no other blockchain yet supports, and those who do, unfortunately, they compromise either on security or on decentralization, and we don't want to compromise on that. Decentralization is our main focus for this project, because that's what we believe is gonna lead the future as well. So the blockchain has to be decentralized, the blockchain has to be secure and scalable. So that means that not only needs to be able to handle a ton of transactions per second right now, but also will be able to be scaled in the future as well. And that was the whole research that we were doing. And also something very, very important is the interaction and in the integration that we have with our ecosystem. So that's a fundamental part of our project as well. So guys, these are really, really exciting news. If you have any questions in the comments below, you will find a link to our Telegram group where you will be able actually to ask me questions directly there. Unfortunately, I will not be taking questions during this stream because I don't want to extend it too long. In the meantime, let me just jump for the video so that I can show you basically where are we at with the wallet. Bear in mind that this video is about 6 minutes long, so just bear with me. It will show you in and outs of the wallet. Bear in mind as well that this is just a prototype. There is no graphic work done here. This is just a development, the developer just making it nice to see so that he can work on it and you can actually see the things, but this is not how it will look like. So let me play it and I will kind of like guide you through. So it's a mobile wallet, which basically like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, you will be able to either import your wallet. MetaMask and Trust Wallet, they just read information from the blockchain. So it's the same thing that will happen here. So if you have already a wallet, you can input your passphrase here and it will automatically import that, or you can create a new wallet and it will generate basically a new wallet altogether for you. This takes quite a bit of time, so I'm just going to be moving forward just so that you know, because this is actually, and something really important I want to specify here is that this wallet, it is currently working on the Ethereum network, so it is live. So that's why basically it can take a bit of time. So you can see here, you can back up your wallet. You can either back up your wallet from the cloud or back it up manually. You can create here with the secret phrase. You can create a new wallet or back it up as you prefer. And you have different options that you can see here as well. You can go to the wallet itself and it will tell you all the transactions that you have, and here you have basically is your the wallet address basically. You can copy, you can share it, so you can get paid with this. You can ask people to send you MTO or any other cryptocurrency for this wallet that this wallet supports, and at the moment of course this wallet doesn't have any transactions as well. You can edit the wallet, you can delete the wallet, or you can go back. So we have here different options, which you have the backup, the currency that you want to basically be displayed on you, the network that will be using. As you can see here, the currency you can, so basically the currency will tell you how much in that currency you have respect of the the crypto that you have inside the wallet. So if you're having a USD, it's going to convert it to USD. Not convert it, but it's going to display you, exactly as a word, the amount that you have in USD. And of course, remember, it can fluctuate. The network, it can work right now on Ethereum, Ropsten, Covan, which are mostly test networks as well. And in the future, of course, we will be adding more network as well as we move along. And most importantly, mainnet, once is released, we will add that one as well. You can change the theme from light to dark, so that was added as well. And you have the privacy settings where you can actually decide what to do and what to add in there. So there are the development settings here. You can actually see all these parts. You have the clear async storage, clear MMKV storage, with some things that I'm assuming some developers out there, part of the community, will know. I don't know half of the things are written in here, but I mean, it's there for you to see as well. You can give feedback and report bugs, and you can also learn about Ethereum here. We have, you can actually share basically your wallet as well. And you can add it as well with a QR code at the same time. Right now it is working, so you can actually buy Ethereum with fiat. You can buy Ethereum with other things, you know, with other cryptos as well. And you can actually go and check that out as well. Here are all the exchanges that you can see. There are the Uniswap pools, because remember, this is tapping basically to Uniswap, which is a decentralized exchange. So you will be able to interact as well with Uniswap. That means that you can buy all the tokens and you can use them as well and hold them on your token, on your wallet as well, if you decide as well. So I'm just going to let the video scroll. Remember as well that I will be sharing this video in the community. I will not be sharing it today. I will share this tomorrow. I just need to do some editing in here just to blur certain things before I actually release it. And then this will be blurred as well on the YouTube video as well. But yeah, that's kind of like what you will see on the video. You can actually see what the wallet itself is about. So as you can see here, you have all the, I would say, pairs on Ethereum with Uniswap that you can add. You can add to favorites. You can put it on the watch lists. So you can actually go and check the charts as we saw before. So it is a very, very complete wallet for you to actually have, and literally you will be able to swap your Trust wallet or your MetaMasks for this wallet as well, because it will actually allow you to do everything that those wallets allow you to do. You will be able to do it with the merchant token, and at the same time as well, you will be able to interact with the merchant token ecosystem. You will be able to purchase directly through merchants, and you will be able to have the consumer protection. As you can see, this is the dark theme. So again, we have done that as well, and it's ready. The charts that I was telling you earlier, you can actually go. It tracks basically everything. It tracks the volume, it tracks the liquidity, it tracks the market cap for every single project out there that is listed on Uniswap as well. And that's pretty much it at this point. So let me change my camera here, preview. Perfect. So guys, thank you so much for joining me. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because we will be sharing more project updates in the next couple of weeks. It's been 15 minutes and I really want to keep this video short, but just to see summarized, we have already managed to complete the HIPS merchant protocol and the SDKs for the HIPS merchant protocol, which is the web version, mobile and desktop version. The HIPS merchant protocol is basically the MVP we have basically progressed to the alpha stage and is nearly ready. We have also completed the merchant wallet, which means that we are very, very, very close to the release of the alpha network. Of course, I will not be sharing with you any date today on when the alpha will be launching, but we are very, very close to that. Also, we are, where are we going next, or where the developers are moving next? And remember, the reason why we will not be moving straight away into alpha, I mean, we're not launching it next week, is because we need to be way ahead of the other projects that can want to copy us. So when we release a stage, it means that we are already moved past that, and what we are, the information that we are releasing publicly, it is already outdated. So the next steps for the development will be to build a merchant app, or the desktop version basically, which manages all the transactions, build the agent and admin portal, and possibly even an app, but again, that has not been confirmed yet. And then the setup and develop our own private blockchain network, which is going to be the next focus after we release the alpha stage. So guys, thank you so much for joining on this, and I wish you a lovely Sunday. Have a good day.